Hello everyone, we Archangels are going to present our application Aerial Fire Warning Vehicle. As you all know, forest fires are a major threat to the environment's each and every flora and fauna. Every year it seems like there's another disastrous wildfire at one or the other place on earth. In 2018, nearly 9 million acres were burnt in the US alone. According to the Worldwide Fund for Nature, nearly 3 billion animals were killed or displaced by Australia's devastating fires in 2019 and 2020. So, as a solution to tackle this, unmanned aerial vehicles or UAVs can be used in wildfire surveillance and suppression. They help in the early detection of fires. The fires are tracked with thermal sensing and smoke detection techniques. They are done with the help of infrared cameras that capture thermal images, wind direction, high-resolution imagery of smoke even at night time. By tracking, locating a hotspot and mapping fire patterns, they can determine where a fire will move next, assisting them in making swift decisions and draw up a strategic plan about movement and evacuation. These devices can fly at a remote area when and where a manned aircraft is unable to fly. They are associated with low cost and a flexible device that offer high spatio-temporal resolution. A person will be in charge to fly the UAV in a regular basis, and whenever any fire movement is detected, it sends a fire alarm to the forest authority so that they can respond as soon as possible. The impacts that come with the execution of this idea are huge. The main advantage has been the time reduction to extinguish the fires. Thus, the number of human, animal and plant lives lost got highly reduced. A massive amount of pollution is controlled, which even helps our ozone layer heal by itself. We even conserve our valuable resources like water, which gets wasted to extinguish the fires. The use of UAVs limits exposure and reduces risk to pilots and firefighters, making them and the environment a happy place. As a safety precaution, we prefer to design a casing made out of metal which is coated with intumescent paint material which expands when heat increases and even puts out the flame. The components, including the battery, will be assembled inside the casing. So, even when the UAV crash lands into the forest due to short circuit or battery explosion, it will not affect the outside environment and will not be a cause for a forest fire to arise. Hence, UAVs are an integral part of fire research and management. Thank you.